What's up, y'all? It's J Flo back with another quick tutorial. I'm going to be making a t-shirt for one of my clients. This is FLOCK HTV, which stands for heat transfer vinyl, that I'm using right now. And I'm just weeding all of the negative parts that I don't want on my garment away. We're doing a Black Wall Street shirt today. The first one was FLOCK vinyl, and this is just regular HTV vinyl. It's for Tulsa, Oklahoma, my hometown. And what we're going to be doing with this flock is, a lot of people don't know that you can actually sublimate on top of flock vinyl. So that's what we're going to do with this. We're going to sub this image on top of it. So right now we're going to press it. I like to press at 375 for about, well, this part you only do it for about 15 seconds. And I'm shaking it because it's a little hot. And then after that, you're going to put your image down and then press it for the complete time. I like to do 375 for about 50 to 60 seconds at medium pressure. And then you're going to add your regular vinyl. Again, you're not going to press that part that long. I use the parchment on top just so it doesn't bleed through my Teflon sheet. And there you have it. The image subbed on flock vinyl.